Have you ever felt frustrated trying to go through your mind map? Switching to an outline makes it easier to review and refine everything in a clear, linear way. That's why we built the Outliner on Xmind. One click, your map becomes an outline. Press Enter to add a topic, Tab to indent. Everything you already know from the map works here too. Need to restructure? Just drag an item. The whole branch comes with it. Working with someone else? You don't have to agree on the same view. They stay in the map, you switch to the outline. You're both editing the same file in real time. Every item in your outline can hold more than text. Say you're breaking down a project. Add notes for context, tag priorities, link reference docs, and check things off as you go. Your outline becomes your working space. Brainstorm in the map, refine in the outline. Try the Xmind Outliner view now.